A is for airship. Floats above the town so high like a balloon up in the sky. Waves to people passing by. B is for bulldozer. Pushes dirt with mighty might. Clears the ground both left and right. Rumble, rumble, whoa, a sight. C is for canoe. Glides along the river stream. Paddle fast or slow and dream. Splash goes water with a gleam. D is for delivery van. Brings the parcels, ring the bell. What's inside you cannot tell. Maybe toys or books as well. E is for electric car. Buzzing quiet, smooth and clean. Eco-friendly, shiny machine. Zooms around without the sheen. F is for ferry boat. Carries cars across the sea. Blows its horn so happily. Come aboard and ride with me. G is for go-kart. Tiny car for kids to race. Round the track in speedy chase. Zoom, zoom, fun in every place. H is for hot air balloon. Colors bright against the blue. Floating high with perfect view. Waving clouds are greeting you. I is for ice resurfacer. Cleans the rink so smooth and round. Gliding gently on the ground. Leaves the ice all shiny sound. J is for jet ski. Splashes water side to side. Bumpy waves, a joyful ride. Zooming fast with ocean pride. K is for car train. Little wagons linked in line. Choo-choo rides are so divine. Kids all laugh, it's so divine. L is for loader truck. Scoops up gravel, sand and stone. Carries piles all on its own. Strongest worker ever known. M is for monorail. Rides on tracks so smooth and tall. Glides above the city wall. Fastest train for one and all. N is for narrow boat. Floats along the canal slow. Flowers on the roof that grow. Toot, toot, gently as you go. O is for ox cart. Pulled by oxen, steady pace. Takes you through the country space. Old time ride with smiling face. P is for paraglider. Wings of fabric catch the breeze. Flying softly over trees. Like a bird with sky at ease. Q is for quadristair. For small wheels and pedals spin. Ride with friends, all jump in. Round the park with laughing grin. R is for rickshaw. 3 small wheels, a comfy seat. Takes you down the busy street. Clang, clang, bells go, what a treat. S is for scooter. 2 small wheels and handle tight. Kick and push with all your might. Rolling fast in pure delight. T is for trolley bus. Runs on wires up above. Carries people with some shove. City ride that kids just love. U is for ultralight plane.